Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about ICT concept and characteristics. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device that can store large amount of data, can perform operation on data, performing given functions on the data and display the result as output. Process data whenever needed, known for to compute. What is processing? Computer works on data as per program is called program process. Process means operating link, calculations, logic, decisions making, uh, outputting data, communicating with other computer, etc. Characteristics: speeds, arithmetical, logical operation, accuracy, reliable storage, retrieving data and program, automotive versatility, consistency, and communication. Applications of computer science, research, education, business application, banking, office automations, desktop publication, management aids, engineer design, road traffic control, railways, medicine, information service. What is internet? Interconnections of many computers via networks. Global connected through networks to provide the various application service, email user, and everything. Use of internet, search in email service, commercial service, electronic book and publication, video conferencing, sharing data and result quickly, retrieving files and program of all types, find information database and autorial newspaper columns, banking, downloadings or uploadings, any informations, news, sports, stocks, music, etc. Use of internet in various fields like education, business, government, etc. and many more. Internet as in ICT tools. What is ICT? During last decades of the 20th century, there was extraordinary development in the information and communication technology, which led to transformations of the process and practice in almost all aspects of human activities. Information and communication technologies are the technology used in the convey, manipulation, instruments of data, and electronic meaning. Information and communication technology. Information is data that has been stored and arranged. It consists of the organization, fact, and opinions people receive during daily lives. Changing data informations is called data processing or information processing. It involves gathering, organizing, and reporting data, so it is useful to the people. It is often done use information technology. ICT tools, radio, television, video, DVD, telephone, satellite system, computer network, hardwares and softwares, and blogs. Information and communication technology. People often use the term information and communication together. These are the related, but each means something different. Two words we need to know to understand communication technology are data and information. Data includes individual facts, statistics, and idea. These facts and ideas are not stored or arranged any manner. What is communication? Communication is simply the fact of transfer information from one place to another, exchange information from computer to another computer. The classic communication system is made up of an information source, an encoder, a transmitter, a receiver, a decoder, storage, retrieves, or an information uh, destinations. Synchronized communication, online chat, text-based, audio-based, video-based, mobile technology, conference phones, satellite television channel, video conferencing. Anonymous communication, discussion forum, blog, e-group, Wikipedia, Google's mobile SMS, MMS, and podcast. Scope of internet as a ICT, education, research, communication, leisure, and entertainment, exploring the world, finance, shopping, and many more. Scope of internet as ICT in television. ICT as a tools to innovate technology learning practice via internet, digital content, multimedia teaching, learnings, method learning environment. ICT as an administrative tool, education management information system. ICT as an expanding learning opportunity, distance learning, e-learning. ICT as a facilitator of higher order thinking skills, learners center, self-directed learning, tailored learning. Traditional versus internet-based ICT education approach. Physical limited size, synchronized, unlimited, anytime, anywhere. Content, PowerPoint, textbook, video. Multimedia, digitals, on-demand, synchronized. Personalizations, one learning path and space determined by learner. Psychology of using teaching aids which include ICT. Here is an effective says, I hears, I forget. Verbal descriptions only are not enough for learning to remember and understand. Visualizations of objective, especially in the science and technology, is important. I see, I remember. Knowledge that is gained through the sight is more cultural, accurate, and permanent. It is said that 80% of our knowledge is gained through our eyes. Developing understanding. Space and automated function of ICT can enable teachers to determine, explore, and explain aspects of this. They are teaching student learnings, more effective use of spreadsheets of perform calculations in order that patterns can be concentrated on rather than the calculations. ICT can help learning extend access to source, the path, and range of ICT can enable teacher student to gain success to historical, recent, or immediate informations through, for example, access informations on CD rooms or internet. Enhance equity skills. It will search for compare information from different sources. Enhance the communications of idea. Communication with other people locally or over easily and effectively. Present information in ways which are essentially different from the different audience. Does ITC increase to access learning opportunity, education opportunity? This person located where conventional schools are not viable, a choice of students and parents what they want to learn, a safety net for the school dropouts so that they do not lapse into illiterate alternative venue to schools, school change education standard curriculum materials, lifelong learning concept, limited fraud and assessment process. Internet-based ICT agriculture using web application. There are many websites available for getting information regarding agricultural product. One of them is Soil Health Cards. In 12th century e-governance award winning, it refers to soil together reports and provide information about which crop form should cultivate and which man should be applied in what propositions. Green ICT. Green ICT referred to an approach is reducing the energy and other resource consumes the emissions and other waste product across ICT lifestyles from manufacturers. Procurement use ICT is an organization to its reuse and aim to improve environment sustainability of organization, especially green ICT to reduce energy consumptions and CO2 emissions during ICT use, reduce the environmental impact of disposable of ICT waste productions. In addition to above, green ICT is explore how ICT application can be used. Step towards Guinness, reduce power consumption, going paperless, buying energy disposables, several optimization, Indian ICT, teleconference, web conference, video conference. Our commitment, accelerate in our daily life activities by converting the technology or sharing the experience and resources. Uh, these are the many important aspects around the world we can follow and we can develop our effectiveness in the ICT and we can grow our technology in an effective way. If you have any question about this, you directly can communicate with me. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.